Welcome to my channel Hare Krishna Law. It's not just a channel, it's a family. Family consisting of me and you. Without you, this channel is nothing. Today we are going to discuss the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007. Suppose if a senior citizen is not satisfied with the order given by the tribunal, can he ask for alteration? Of course he can ask for the alteration in the maintenance order. He can say that, ki sir, SDM, this order that you have passed, at that time my son was earning only 20,000 rupees, but now my son is earning 50,000 rupees. So you may kindly enhance this, as my needs are also huge. I need medical care, medical attention. There are costs which I am unable to incur. So you may kindly increase my, or you may kindly alter my maintenance allowance. A parent can also ask for the same on the same ground. Furthermore, a senior citizen or parent can say that there was some mistake of fact on which this case was decided. So, with a new corrected fact, a senior citizen or a parent can ask for the alteration of allowance. Section 11. A senior citizen asks whether I will be provided with a copy of order or not. Yes, dear parents, dear senior citizens, you will be provided with a copy of order, final order, free of cost. No bribe, no money will be taken from you. No cost will be incurred on you for giving you the copy of order, final order, regarding maintenance allowance and interim allowance. So, in case if anybody asks for baksheesh, bribe, you can call the higher authorities or the police authorities that this chap is blackmailing you, this chap is asking for some ungrateful considerations. Now let's move to the next point, that your maintenance will be enforceable under chapter 9 of CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code, under section 128 CRPC, 128 CRPC. A senior citizen asks, are we bound to file maintenance case before tribunal as we are senior citizens or parents? And this act is regarding senior citizens and parents only. So are we bound to file the case before tribunal only and not before the civil court or family court or magisterial court? No, you are not bound to. It's just an option. If you feel comfortable with that magisterial court or that family court or that civil court, of course you can go there. Nobody is stopping you. This is only for your maintenance and welfare. If you are not comfortable here, you can opt for other options. So you're not bound inside this. But at a time you can explore only one option. Either you can take maintenance from the tribunal, or either you can take maintenance from the family court, or either you can take maintenance from the magisterial court. But at one time you cannot take maintenance from both the sides. You can take maintenance only from one side. Now the senior citizen asks, how, or the parents ask, suppose if our ward is ready to deposit the money, how the maintenance amount will be deposited by the opposite party, by the children, by the relative, where they will deposit the money, the monthly allowance. So, dear parents, dear senior citizens, they will deposit the monthly allowance. Your children, your relatives will deposit the monthly allowance as per the orders of the tribunal or in your account, if no such guidance directions are given in the order of the tribunal. Next question that comes in the mind of senior citizen or parent, that this guy, this child, this relative has took the benefit of our property, took the benefit out of that monthly allowance. Will we get interest on the monthly allowance? Yes, you will get the interest on monthly allowance. Whatever monthly allowance is awarded to you, if that is being delayed by the child, by the relative, you will get interest on that monthly allowance. Interest will be treated as simple interest from not below 5%, but not maximum to 18%. So between 5 to 18% you will get the interest.